Hello everyone, you are welcome to the inside of my screen, and thank you for joining me on this live stream. The market has opened again, so let's analyze the chart. Let's see how we can make money for this week. Now on Euro USD right here, I have the Euro USD in front of me on the daily time frame. I have for my last video on Euro USD, I called Euro USD to come test this support level right here, and as you can see, we have the Euro USD reacting to this support level that is around 1.14400. Price is currently reacting on that level right there. So let's quickly go back to the higher time frame to analyze the market again. Now from the higher time frame, this is the weekly time frame, and as you can see, the last market week closed with a weekly sign with a strong weekly candle, so right here, and this is a sign of a momentum. Now as you can see right here, that we can see that on the weekly time frame, the Euro USD is bullish to the upside. It has been creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. And also right here, and also right here, price has hit this strong level of resistance. Before I was saying this is a range, but this look like a range, but I have to look at it again, and I said to myself that this is not a range. It looks like a range, but it wasn't a range. Now let me explain. Now right here, since this trend is bullish, we have the weekly trend is bullish. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. Price push up to this resistance level right here, it was rejected. It came around again to attempt this resistance level again. It was also rejected, closing with a strong weak candle. The seller step in and they drive the price back down, and ever since then, price has been pushing to the downside to come attempt this support level right here. And as you can see right here, we have the weekly candle is currently reacting on this support level. So this is nothing but a double top formation. This is a double top formation. Price attempted this resistance level, it was rejected. It attempted again for the second attempt, it was also rejected. This is on the weekly time frame. And also looking at the left hand side, we can see that if price was able to break above this resistance level, this is the next level target right here. If price was able to break above it, when price was attempting this level right here, if it succeed to break above it, is coming here. But unfortunately, that did not happen, and the sellers drive the price back down. So now on the weekly time frame, if we can get if the weekly can continue to drop with a weekly candle right here, if we can get another weekly candle close below the support level, price is coming here. So from there, we can start to look forward pullbacks, pullbacks like so, like this, pullback like this, and price will continue to dump to the downside. But for now, we have seen the direction that this market has hit a strong level of resistance, and we have the first attempt, it was rejected. It will have the second attempt, it was also rejected again, and price is currently pushing to the down, and price is currently testing this support level. And if price can close below this support level, if we can get a weekly candle break and close below the support level this week, we should see the Euro USD, we should see the Euro dollar pushing to 1.12000. That will be the next level target on Euro USD, provided this level is taken out. So coming to the daily time frame, is where we come to look for the immediate trend within the overall trend. Daily time frame, now as you can see on the daily time frame, we can see that price attempted this level of resistance. It was rejected, came again, it was also rejected, and price pushed back down. and price push back down right here. So on this support level, what is holding price from breaking through right here is this support level. And if this support level can be cleared off properly, we should see the euro USD pushing back down. But if price can turn around right here on this support level to form a base right here, to form a trend reversal to the upside, price will come attempt the support, attempt this resistance level again. But for now, we just have to see. I want to see the daily candle. I want to see the daily candle break below this support level or sustain on this support level right here, form a trend reversal and continue to push to the downside. And look at the trend. We have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, and we currently have a lower low. So we expect price to create a new lower high right here and push to the downside. So now on the 4-hour time frame here, right here is we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. So technically we are supposed to create a new lower high right here. I want to see the 4-hour candle. I want to see the 4-hour retrace right here. Give a retracement like so, give a retracement and come to attempt this support level again. And if this support level can be cleared, price will sell down, break out, retest, and price will continue to push to and price will continue to push to the downside. So 4-hour time frame retest. After the retest, we take a short position from here. If it can break this level, break out the retest, price will continue to descend to the downside. So that is that on the Euro USD right here. Euro USD has attempted a strong level of resistance. It has pushed back down to attempt the support level. If price can break below the support level, we are coming down. And if price can sustain on this support level, we are going up again. So, and we have this trend right here. In as much price is still trading below this trend line, the trend is still bearish. So for now, we expect a pullback on the 4-hour time frame. Let it pull back. Since we have the previous ones pulling back, lower low, lower high, it is a low. Let it come and create another lower high again. So from there, price will attempt the support level. If it can break, it's coming down. And if it's unable to break above it, like this, break out a pullback, maybe probably come and attempt this trend line. Yeah, it can come to attempt this trend line for the third attempt, push back down again. If price can sustain it, if price should sustain it, we are coming up. And if price cannot sustain it, we are coming down. Whichever one, this is my prediction on Euro USD. So now looking next to the next pair, the GBP USD. Now coming to the weekly. Now let's come to the higher time frame, and also on the higher time frame right here, we can see that on GBP USD is bullish to the upside. Right here we have the trend bullish. We have creating higher highs and higher lows. It also attempted this resistance level. We have the first attempt, we have the second attempt, we have the third attempt. This is a strong level of resistance. This tells us that what the sellers are defending this resistance firmly, strongly. Price came to the first attempt, it was rejected. It came again for the second attempt, it was also rejected, and it came again for the third attempt, it was also rejected. Price was just going up, down, up, down, up, down in a range. So So for now, if the weekly candle can break below this level right here, if the weekly candle can break below this level right here and come to attempt this trend line, if it should hold, we are coming up. But if price can break below this trend line right here, we are coming down. Looking at the trend right here, we can see that we have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line, and upon the third touch point trend line, we are expecting price to come test it for the third attempt right here. And if price can break below this if price can break below this trend line for the third attempt, we are coming down. But if it should hold, like so around 1.30270, if it should hold, we are coming back up. We are coming back up. So for now, if the weekly, excuse me, let me look at okay. So now, as it is right here, as I was saying, that we have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line, and price might likely come to test this trend line for the third attempt. And if the third attempt should hold, price will push back up. And if price was able to break below it for the third touch of the trend line, it's either it break below or it bounce up. So if price can break below this trend line, we are coming down. But based on the trend, I want to see the trend bullish. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. Price was just playing up and down in this between the resistance level and the support level right here. Price price was price was just going up and down, up down, up down, up down in a range. So coming to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame right here, we can see that the last market week was a sell throughout. Was a sell. We have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high. So price is currently what, pushing for a lower low. So we expect a lower high to happen. We expect a lower high to happen. After the pullback for a lower high, price come attempt again, price push back down again to come attempt this trend line for the third attempt. And if that can happen, if we can see price, if price can come right here to attempt this trend line again for the third attempt, if it should hold, we are coming up. But if it should break out, we are coming down. If price should break out, we are coming down on GBP USD. On GBP USD, you can see we have this first attempt, we have the second attempt, you have the third attempt. Price was the sellers were defending this resistance well, and the buyers also defend this support level well as well, because price has come up and down to attempt this trend line, and the keyboard both bouncing up the trend in the market. So right here we have this daily sell-off right here. I want to see a pullback to attempt this trend line, and if it should hold, we are coming down like so. And if it should hold right here, we are coming up. But if price should come right here and it was able to break below this trend line right here, we are coming down. We are coming down. So now let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame right here, the trend is bearish. We have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a low, we have a 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 high, we have a low. So we expect a pullback, like so, a retracement to come attempt this trend line. If price can break out from this trend line, we are coming up. But if price should reject this trend line, it's coming back to attempt the support again. And if it should hold for a double top price will push back up. So price will push back up, and if it should break, and if it can break below this level, this support level, price is pushing to the downside. So so that is that on Euro USD and GBPUSD analysis. So if you found this video helpful, please smash that subscribe button right there. And if you are just joining me for this first time and you haven't subscribed, please smash that subscribe button right there. So thank you for staying to the very end. So see you in the next one, and bye for now.